Realme recently launched their entry-level phone C11, which is very cheapest phone. Today I'm going to talk all about C11. So this is Tarek. Welcome back to another video. If you're new in my channel, please consider subscribe and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you did already, thank you so much. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm doing unboxing. This is the Realme C11 as a real box, fully yellow, and in this side Realme C11 branding, and in this back side, as you can see, main feature 5000 mAh massive battery, and it has 6.5 inch mini drop full screen, and it has 13 megapixel dual camera, and also it's powered with Helio G35 gaming processor. So let's opening it. After opening, it's welcoming box with some booklet with warranty card, and then a SIM ejector. Then the main device is C11. We will talk later. Then the power adapter, which is 5 volt 2 ampere. It is not a quick charger, so you need to take longer time because 5000 ampere battery. Then the USB cable, which is USB to USB mini, so nothing here. So let's talk about phone itself. This is the very nice finishing. When you take this phone on your hand, it feel like a premium phone, but it is fully made of plastic, which is matte finished, and this branding Realme. And back side, it has two camera, 13 megapixel AI powered camera, and we support portrait mode also, and another one is flashlight. So in this right side, volume rocker and power button, which is very reachable. On the other side, it has SIM tray, which support 3 slots, one for expandable memory and 2 other for dual SIM, so you can expand up to 256 GB. Then the bottom side is speaker itself, and USB mini, and the microphone, and 3.5 mm jack, so you can use your earphone also. So then the display is very big size, 6.5 inch LCD display, and screen to body ratio is 88.7%, so very narrow bezel, so it's feel premium phone. And phone brightness is also good, you can use it outdoor also. So this phone is powered by Mediatek Helio G35, which is good for a budget friendly phone. This is the best for who using normally just phone call and browse internet. So I think this is the good option to buy if you are not use that much like us. So this is the 2GB 32GB ROM variant. This is the only one variant provide. So what do you think? Let me know in comments. So that's for today. If you enjoyed this video, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on next.